What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So today I got something pretty exciting. I'm making a video just on the 944. I got all my camera equipment. We got the drone, we got a camera here, we got a GoPro, and I have a suction cup suction cup for the GoPro. I put it over here. I'm just gonna work on different angles, different shots. I'm gonna see what I can do. I got the Insta360 camera as well, which I have to go grab from upstairs. I don't have a suction cup mount for that, which I want to get eventually. You can put on the back here, and then you can have it like sticking out the back here, and it just shows kind of the back of the car. You can get some cool shots right now. So I'm just gonna take the car out. It's about 90 degrees outside, and it's kind of film the car basically. I know that everybody loves the 944. The videos on it always tend to do pretty well, so I'll make another one. So we gotta take up the trickle charger, get everything set up. I think the dog wants out. You got outside? Get a little dog vlog. Yes, sir. What's up, Dakota? Say hi to everybody. Yeah, you're a good girl. You're a good girl, Dakota. Yeah. I think that's Dakota's first time being on the channel. Look at her. She's a good girl. Alrighty. So backing out the garage. Put the windows down in a second. It's pretty hot out, but will sound better with that, I presume. So yeah, so this is my first time kind of really testing out the GoPro off the suction cup mount, the way it's mounted right now off my windshield. A little driving footage I'll put on the head mount GoPro, or I'll mount it on my head in a little bit. Yeah, experimenting with some different angles and all that should be pretty fun. I'm excited to try this out, see how it works. I want to try it on the Focus as well, because obviously that car makes some cool noises, the pops and the bangs and the blow-off valve and all that. So I think that would turn out really cool on camera as well. So let me tell you a little bit about this car. So this is my 1985 and a half Porsche 944. I've had it for about four and a half years now. And this car is amazing. I've had zero issues with it. Literally had no problems with it the whole time I've been owning it. The only thing I have to do is really just like the oil changes, and we had to change the clutch one time. It had the original clutch on it for like 38 years, and it just went one day when I was driving, unfortunately. But it's an amazing car, perfect daily. I mean, it's fun. It's not fast, but it's quick. It brakes really well, it handles amazingly. This car has 50-50 weight distribution, which means it weighs the same amount as it does in the front as the back, because the engine's in the front and the transmission's back there. So it's balanced perfectly. I've taken it on track a couple times, and it's always so much fun. This car gets a lot of attention at car shows as well. You wouldn't believe it. Compared to some other cars, like there'll be Lamborghinis, Ferraris, new 911s around, but this car gets way more attention than any of those. So I'm just trying to use this real quick to make sure I go to the right place. Just trying to get a little nice road where I can use the head mount to show y'all some driving. But yeah, it's just an amazing car. I would highly recommend a 944 to anybody that's considering getting one. All right, so I've arrived here. It's a little windy road by the lake, and I'm just gonna put on the GoPro on the head mount and just get y'all some point of view driving. All right, so got the head mount GoPro on. Now let's get on with it. There we go. Perfect. I'm just gonna turn around out here. All right, the AC is going off now, so it's gotta get pretty hot in here, but I gotta get dialed in. I'm not gonna push the car at all, obviously, and I'm on the street, so I'm not gonna be stupid, obviously, you know. Never drive crazy or reckless or fast on the street. Just be smart. You can see through a lot of these corners here, so you can make sure there's no traffic. Let's see what's over that way. See if there's anything fun. Ooh, this road's kind of beat up. Alright, I don't know why the GoPro turned off, but it did. I've never went on this road here before. It's kind of beat up, so I might turn around. Yeah, bumpy. God dang. Kicking up some dust. Yeah, I'm gonna go do a U-turn. I've driven down that other road so many times, I know it decently well. But I don't know, there could be big potholes and speed bumps and that kind of stuff around here. You just never want to take the risk with damaging your car. Alrighty. Make sure it's on, there we go. I don't know why I shut off earlier, I'm still kind of new to this. Nice little shot of the lake down there. Ooh, bumpy. Be careful here. Just staying, coasting through that neutral, or first, but the clutch on the floor. There we go. This little hump. Let me restart the clip. I completely just forgot to record the last run, which really stinks because that was actually nice. Like it was so smooth, nice drive down the road, but that sucks. Let me look and see what happened. Alright, so I just realized what I did. In that last clip, you could probably hear me say, I'm gonna restart the clip. I turned it off, the GoPro, and I didn't turn it back on. So that's my fault, kind of a bummer. But hey, it is what it is. So yeah, I'm gonna head over to a park now, see what shots I can get with the drone, see if I get anything cool. Just work on different shots and all that stuff, so yeah. Damn, that's a bummer. That was nice. It was a good one, but anyway, stuff happens. That was on me. So. All right, so I'm almost here. I think I'm gonna put the head mount GoPro on just to show you all a little bit more POV driving. But yeah, I'll pull over and do that real quick, and get it. All right, here we go. Got the GoPro on. Some POV driving again. I'll put the windows down here in a sec. not only this video is going to be, you know, enjoyable for maybe some people will like just this type of video, driving, just point of view, but it's also going to be helpful for me to get to learn using each of the different types of filming, whether the GoPro, the camera, my phone, which I usually just use my phone, or the drone, or that Insta360 if it charges. I'm having issues with the charger here. It's not working all the time. Uh-oh. Well, the road I wanted to take is closed. Well, the way I wanted to go is closed. You could see in the mirrors, and I saw in the last clip that the road's closed. So, yeah, I found another way to get there, but it's gonna take me a little longer than I was hoping. But yeah, I'll see you when I get there. All right, so I've turned off the GoPro just for now to save battery till I get to where I'm going. But yeah, I'm gonna try a video like this with the Ford Focus soon. See what I can get. That car, some people might like that more since it's louder, it's faster, it will sound cooler, like going under bridges and stuff. It sounds pretty awesome. But yeah, I'm just gonna drive to the park I'm headed right now to film a little bit, and I'll see y'all when I'm there. So this is where I was driving when my clutch blew. I pulled into one of these neighborhoods. I think it might be this one. Right up here. Let me look. Yeah, and I went right. No, that's not it actually. It's one of these ones around here though, is where I was when my clutch went. It was a bummer, but as soon as I got the new clutch in the car and I started driving it around, it felt so much faster. It's crazy. That one, that was it, right there. That neighborhood is the one where the clutch blew. Or I was driving down here and it went, and I had to coast into the neighborhood and then figure out the rest from there. So I ended up calling my dad. There's a Mustang doing Mustang things, but that's an EcoBoost Mustang, so it's not even the cool one. It's not the 5.0. Not even a 6-cylinder, just an EcoBoost. Same engine as my Ford Focus, except mine sounds better and it's faster. So I've had to get creative and find out an alternate route to get to the park I'm going to. And wow, look at this house. There's some crazy houses here. This is a nice neighborhood, but look at that. They got lion statues, a deer statue. Dang, nice Raptor out front. Some big houses. Oof. And someday, one day, I'm gonna get a house like one of these. Hopefully I can build my own. I think that would be the greatest thing ever. Look at that. Oof, beauty. What a house some of these are. Pretty sweet. Well, let me see where I'm supposed to go. Start. Alright, sweet, perfect. Oh. I used to practice football on this field here when I used to play. I went there a couple times to practice. Alright, here we are. Finally. Took a little longer than I wanted to. I think I'm going to go to this parking lot over here. The bigger one. All the soccer goals out here. There we go. I wonder if there's a nice spot under a tree I can take, because I really don't want to be cooking in here. Doesn't really look like it. Yep. Well, I'll just park over here. I liked some of my older videos. If you go back and watch when I was down at College Station, I had a pretty good spot in like a neighborhood that was being made in the end of a cul-de-sac I would park at, and that was pretty good for video. But not anymore up here now. So let me walk around the car a little bit so you can see it. Oh boy. There she is. She's not perfectly clean right now. I drove through a bunch of dirt earlier and she wasn't perfectly clean before that either, but she's not too dirty. She's just a great car. I mean, come on, like, look at that. So let me get out the drone and stuff, see what I can do. Well, I'm sure you saw in that last clip, I flew my drone into a tree, which is, you're not supposed to do that. But luckily, there's like minor damage, just the battery cover door fell off, but I should be able to reattach that pretty easily. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below with any ideas you have for future videos. I hope you guys had as much fun watching today's video as I did making it, because I just had a great time today getting out driving and trying out all the different film equipment. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.